welcome to Free Current Affair. Today we discuss an important current affair. Okay. Recently Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt receives UAE Golden Visa. Okay. In this lecture we discuss what is Golden Visa, which countries offers Golden Visa, who is eligible to get Golden Visa. Okay. Before we discuss, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay. Then next. The UAE government awarded Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt its Golden Visa. Okay, the Golden Visa system essentially offers long-term residency to people with outstanding talent. Okay, before we discuss what is Golden Visa, we discuss about UAE. Okay, UAE means United Arab Emirates, capital Abu Dhabi, currency UAE dirham, AED. Okay, official language Arabic. President Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Okay, Prime Minister and Vice President is Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Okay. Next, what is Golden Visa? Okay. Before is no Golden Visa, we know about Visa. What is Visa? A Visa is an official document that allows the bearer to legally enter a foreign country. Okay. The Visa is usually stamped or glued into bearer passport. Okay. The Golden Visa system was introduced by the United Arab Emirates government in 2019. Okay. The Golden Visa system essentially offers a long-term residency, normally 5 years and 10 years, to people belonging to the following groups. Okay, the groups includes investor, entrepreneurs, individuals with outstanding talent like a researcher, medical professionals, and those within the scientific and knowledge fields. Okay, and remarkable students. Okay, students also get a visa in this scheme. Okay, the visa enables foreigners to live, work and study in the UAE without the need of a national sponsor. Okay, for the foreigner can have 100% ownership of their business in UAE. Okay, in the world, other countries who offer Golden Visa are Canada, Malta, Portugal, Spain, Switzerland, Cyprus, Greece and New Zealand. Okay, these countries are for Golden Visa. Okay, next. Who can apply for Golden Visa? Okay, for the 10-year visa, investor having not less than 10 million worth of public investment, either in the form of an investment fund or a company. Okay, 10 million equal to 19.81 crore in Indian rupees, nearly equal to. Okay, however, at least 60% of the total investment must not be in the form of real estate. Okay, the amount must not loan, or in case of asset, investor must assume full ownership. Okay, the amount invested by the investor is fully ownership by him. Okay, the investor must be able to retain the investment for a minimum period of 3 years. Okay, 3 years. This 10-year long visa may be extended to include business partners, provided that each partner contribute 10 million. Okay, the long-term visa can also include the holder's spouse and children, as well as one executive director and one advisor. Okay, besides entrepreneurs, individual with specialized talent can also apply for the visa. They include doctors, researchers, scientists, investors, and artists. Okay, these individuals may be granted a 10-year visa following accreditation granted by their respective department and fields, and the visa will also be extended to their spouses and children. Okay, for the 5-year visa, the norms are largely similar to the 10-year visa. Okay, for the investor, with the only difference being that the amount of investment required is set at 85 million. Okay, in case of 10-year visa, that is 10 million, and in case of 5-year visa, that is 85 million. Okay, for outstanding student with a minimum grade of 95% in public and private secondary schools. Okay, university student with the outside the country having a distinction GPA of at least 3.75 upon graduation. Okay, these are the qualification for student for applying for Golden Visa. Okay, next. Where this move by the UAE government? The move target wealthy individual ready to offer UAE significant investment. Okay, in exchange they can get an opportunity to reside within the country. It will attract talented professionals from various fields of expertise and further encourage innovation, creativity, and applied research, adding to the appeal of a career in the UAE for the world brightest mind. Okay. Then, for the Indian point of view, what is the significant? Okay. It would attract more Indian professional and businessmen to the gold nation and strengthen the Indian UAE relationship. Okay. Nowadays, foreign relations is very important for a country. Okay. It will also facilitate the return of Indians who want to resume work after the relaxation of COVID-19 related restriction, for which India had requested the member of Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) in early November 2020. Okay, India is the top country receiving the highest remittance from the UAE. Okay, again we discuss here the Henley and Partners Passport Index 2021 released a list of world most powerful passport. Okay, according to Henley and Partners Passport Index 2021, Japan passport is most powerful in the world. Okay, and UAE is number 16, India is number 85. Okay, next we discuss about UAE. Okay, this is static part of the current affairs. UAE neighboring countries are Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Oman. Okay, Saudi Arabia capital Riyadh, Oman capital Muscat, and Qatar capital Doha. Okay, this is in this lecture we discuss the member of group where UAE is a member. Okay, first GCC. Okay, GCC means Gulf Cooperation Council. It is the Cooperation Council of the Arab State of the Gulf. Okay, founded in 25 May 1981 in Abu Dhabi, UAE, but its headquarters is in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Okay, official language is Arabic. Okay, member Bahrain, capital Manama, Kuwait, capital Kuwait City, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. Okay, the FIFA World Cup 2020, which was postponed due to COVID-19, will be held at Qatar. Okay, then UAE is also a member of OIC country. Okay, OIC means Organization of Islamic Cooperation, which was founded in 1969. Okay, there are 57 members in OIC, headquarters Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. Okay, then UAE is a member of OPEC country. What is OPEC? Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Okay, there are 13 members in this group. Okay, headquarters Vienna, Austria. It was founded in 1960 at Baghdad, Iraq. Okay, members are Algeria, Angola, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Libya, Nigeria, Republic of Congo, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Venezuela. Okay, thank you. This is all about Golden Visa and UAE. Okay, if you like the video, then kindly subscribe our YouTube channel, and if any error, information or data provided in this video, then kindly correct it in comment section. Thank you.